Hi everyone, Chris here from My Old House Fix, and just a few tips on repairing your old clapboard siding. A lot of times you'll have cracks along the edges, along where it's been nailed before, and a lot of people throw these boards away. But it's old growth timber, so we want to keep it in place if we can and restore it. So what I usually do here is V out the crack, put some glue in, reattach it with stainless steel nails, and because it's V'd out and wood expands and contracts, this will crack back if we apply just epoxy over the top or putty over the top. So what I like to do is come back over and just caulk this, since it would expand and contract. What I found on the rest of the house is the caulk works the best for these type of cracks versus epoxy or any type other glazing putty or anything like that. So I like to come back with caulk since it's flexible and it won't crack back, and then just pin the wood from the bottom. So whether you do a small pin nail, hammer and nail, or your nail gun, I like to pin it from the bottom, and that'll hold that nice and tight and keep it from cracking again. Alright, pin from the bottom, nice and tight, good to go. Alright, hope the tip works for you and try it out sometime. See you guys later. This is Chris from My Old House Fix.